We should say thank you. Use the objects from the sidebar to fuel and service the vehicles. Tap on the pedal for candy to fuel the vehicle. Great! Hooray! Swipe your finger along the window for Cookie to clean it. Great! The car is fueled up and ready to go. Help the vehicle gather all the materials on its way. Tap on the button to make the car speed up. Tap on the boosters so that run. It'll be faster like this. Thank you. We should say thank you. Tap on the screen to begin building. We are performing our great. Thank you. We should say thank you. Let's repair the vehicle.